This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Craigslist as a desktop app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered my desktop is, but if you look right up this way, you can see that I have an app called Craigslist. If I double click on that and open it, it opens up Craigslist as an app. You still have basically all the same features you would normally have, but it is now an app. To install this as an app, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is delete my app. I'm going to go to my installed apps here, and if you look right down this way, I have an app called Craigslist. I'm going to uninstall it, and I'll show you how to install it. You can use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it on each one. I'm going to start off with the Chrome web browser. I will open up Chrome here. First thing you want to do is go to Craigslist and basically set the page up however you would like for it to be when you open your app. As you can see, I currently have it on the St. Louis Craigslist, but just set this up how you want it to open in your app. Next thing you will do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left, and you'll go down to where it says Install Page as App. Click on Install Page as App. A little dialog box will pop open asking you, do you want to install this as an app, and asking you what you want to name your app. Then you'll go down to the bottom and you would click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to open up the Edge web browser. You want to go to Craigslist. You want to set it up however you would like for it to open up in your app. Then you'll go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says More Tools. Place your cursor over More Tools. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and straight up to where it says Apps. Then you'll go straight off to the right, and it says Install this site as an app. It shows the logo for Craigslist. Click on Install this site as an app. A little dialog box will pop open asking you what you want to name your app. You can name it whatever. I'm just going to go with Craigslist. Then you want to go down to the bottom and click on Install. It takes it just a second. It automatically opens. As you can see, it is now on Craigslist. I have it set up to open to St. Louis. There's a little dialog box off to the upper right hand corner asking you where you want to allow this app to be. Do you want to pin it to your taskbar? Do you want to pin it to your start menu? Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? Do you want it to auto start on device login? You just have to use your own judgment here. I'm going to go with Create Desktop Shortcut. I'm going to click on Allow. And as you can see now, Craigslist has become an app. I'm going to close this. And right here on my desktop, Craigslist. I'm going to double click on it to open it. That is how to install Craigslist as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.